Okay, I love this question. Thanks for asking. Is this business where you actually get help from the people you sign up with, or do you have to ask questions to other people trying to learn the system? You know, I understand this question because I'd been in other things before, spent a heck of a lot of money, and it was just like videos, and whenever you wanted help, there was nowhere to be found. And it's stupid frustrating. When I saw this, that's why if you watch my videos, I say it's a complete system, because it really is. It's a live interactive program. So when I say live, there's so many weekly live calls. You hop onto the live calls that you're needing. Like if you're needing tech support, then you hop on the live tech support calls. Like there's not a lot of tech in this, but there is sometimes people struggle in certain areas of that, so you hop on that. There's onboarding calls helping you figure out the system. I help people, like literally I set up a private chat with you and answer your questions along the journey, but most people don't reach out to me that much because there's so much live support and training within the program that the obligation is not all on me, and it wouldn't be all on you if you start this. That's the beautiful thing. There's live coaching, live mentoring. If you need help with your social media, there it is. If you need help with TikTok, there it is. If you need help with getting your mindset right, there it is. Like, that's why I started this, because I was all over the fact of starting something that wasn't able to be really a help to other people. When I saw this, I knew it was the complete package. If you want, put your name and email address into my email system. You'll see how the automations work. Okay, that's our Freedom Machine. Then reply back to any one of those emails, and I'll be happy to send you a little Loom video that kind of shows the community, shows the system and everything, because that way you understand, get a little peek into everything, and you can ask me any more questions that you want. But great question. Thanks for the ask.